heavens you were wearing your seatbelt.
You know, sister, those new mini habits are really great. Who designed them? Dior. Christian? What else?
Anyway, Charlie, this dame I met is really something.
Uh-huh.
5'4", great figure, red hair, green eyes, cute freckles, a dimple in her chin.
What? Good heavens, that's my wife.
No, she's not my type, Charlie. This one is stupid and frigid.
Good heavens, that's my wife.
You know, times are so tense nowadays, you can't say anything without starting an argument.
Oh, yes, you can.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
You cannot.
You can so. Yes, you can.
You cannot. You are.
Hello. What? Well, that's disgusting. I ought to have you arrested. You want to do what? Ugh, you're sick. Ugh, honey, it's for you.
Sister Debbie, do you live by the golden rule? No, but I live across the street from the rectory.
Honey.
Huh?
Harold, now that we have international television, why don't we just watch it?
Okay.
Guten Abend, Herren und Damen.
No, honey.
Meine alte
Switch
Frau
to the
ist
French
gekommen
channel.
zu meiner
Whatever you want.
Haus. Bonsoir, monsieur et madame. Faites
Oh,
vos
honey,
jours.
switch to the English channel.
Ça va plus.
Did I have a tough morning?
Oh, what did you do?
Oh, I washed the church windows. I had an awful time getting the stains out.